Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Paul, scissorspaperpaul on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Please make sure that you're following me on all of those channels. I do share different information and inspiration and project files across those platforms, so make sure you're following me there. Also, if you're new to my channel, please give this a big thumbs up and also subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for all of your support. I really, truly appreciate it. I've got something really exciting today to show you, and hopefully you're as excited as me, and that is the Cricut Mystery Box. So we see all the Americans, the Canadians, we see what everything's happening all overseas, and they've got these beautiful mystery boxes with lots of great products and always that cute surprise. And I've got one of my hands on one spot. I have done this before, but it's been re-released. Now, it retails for $125. If you're a VIP, and it's free to join as a VIP, you have to be a VIP. If you're not a VIP, make sure you sign up. For VIPs, I think it's around $99. But let's have a look and see what's inside. It says on the box, so we have 6 various rolls of product, and of course one cute surprise. And I'm not gonna lie, it's all about the surprise. let's open this sucker and see what we have got. What's inside? What colour's the cute surprise? That's what I want to know. What about you? Let me know in the comments. If you're new to my channel as well, type new in the comments. I would love to get to know you a little bit better as well. Alright, so let's open her up. Make sure that's nice and centered so you can see. And oh, here we go, cute surprise right on top. If you don't know what cuties are, I mean, where have you been living? Let me try and hold that. Now, it's important to note that this is Mystery Box. Your contents may differ to what I'm looking at today, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I do not have this Cricut cutie in Sunflower. I'll open them up and you can actually see. Look, it's a little toy. Effectively, but as a cricketer we love to collect them, and typically we always see them in America and we don't often see them in Australia, so this is just wonderful. Oh, and look how bright he is. He's so cute. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited, and it's a colour I don't have. Yay! And remembering again, your colour may differ to what we're looking at today. So let's have a look. What have we got here? So this is a roll, so it's 12 by 48 inches, or roughly around 30 centimeters by 1.2 meters. So it's a nice big long sheet of it's premium vinyl as well, so it's permanent, it's glossy, so you can use this on all of your mugs and decor and all those sorts of items. What's great about the premium vinyl is that when you take it off the mat, it actually lies flat. So I don't know if you even noticed that, but I always get surprised, go, oh, that's right, because it makes it so much easier to weed rather than when it's sort of used to curl up and things like that. So this is a mosaic, so you can see here it's a goldy color, it's rose gold, and it's in the circles, and it really is. I'll try and capture that goldiness. Oh, such a beautiful color. Looks really luxe. I love these, you know I love the metallics. But I really love this vinyl to work with as well. I used this recently, or one very similar to this, on a cardstock project. So it formed part of the main image that was on, that I applied on cardstock. And if you're putting vinyl on cardstock, make sure you really de-stick your transfer tape so that you don't rip your cardstock when you take that off. But I think this would be really cool. And likewise, some really nice chunky designs, on a mug or a plate, or on the outside of a shadow box and things like that. Really cool. What's next? Oh, we've got some removable. So this is a really cute color. So again, this is 12 inch by 48 inches or 30 centimeters by 1.2. It's their premium vinyl. So once again, it lies flat. Removable. It's a really cute color. It's called Melon. So I know it looks quite tan there, but it's got like a pinky-ish hue to it. And removable is great for I use it a lot on decor that isn't going to be manhandled a lot. So if it's going to be sitting on a frame, up out of the way, and it's not going to, be dusted and overly sort of touched, then removable is great. Effectively, the difference between removable and permanent is just easier to get off, and it leaves less of a residue behind. The other great thing about the removable vinyl as well is if you can look at doing it on the inside and like mirror your design and actually put it on the inside as well of your shadow box, so that when you're dusting it down, obviously you're not touching the vinyl at all. It's also great for stenciling. So if you're going to create a stencil, if you want to do some painting or, whatever you want to do, use your removable vinyl rather than your permanent, because again, it's just easy to get off. And so it's always really handy to have some removable vinyl handy. Lots and lots of great uses. Even if you use like a scorch pen or things like that, just anything you need stencil for, removable vinyl is really, really handy. There's lots of my favorites here. I love this vinyl. If you saw my Easter project, my hunt sign, I used this in pink. This is so cute. So this is again permanent, it's glossy, it's a premium in vinyl again, so it lies flat, but it is so glossy. And it's not a shimmer vinyl, because look, this is my absolute favorite. I love shimmer. This is the shimmer vinyl, which I love more than those chunky glitters. Stunning. Oh, love. It almost looks like shimmer vinyl. It's got that iridescent kind of effect to it. And I mean, it's called Blue Pearl. Again, it's that 30 centimeters by 1.2 meter sheet. Again, I mean, all of your mugs, your decor, stickers for the back of a car. This is permanent, perfect for those uses. As I say, lovely and glossy. I just love this range. It's super beautiful. And then, yay! So we've got the premium shimmer vinyl as well. My absolute favorite. I love the shimmers. It comes in so many different colors, including blacks and reds and greens and you name it, not just those typical metallic colors. But this is a silver. Again, it's a 30 centimeters by 1.2 meters. It's great to work with. When I cut it, there is a shimmer, there's a shimmer vinyl setting, and sometimes I just bump up the pressure a little bit. So a little bit more pressure, just to make sure that I get that flawless cut, but always test cut your materials first anyway. But this is so pretty, and it's just so smooth. It doesn't have that sort of chunkiness that some of the glitter vinyls can have. Really a great product. And again, on all of those permanent surfaces, you cannot go wrong with this product. This one is really fun. Now, this is the holographic. You're getting 3 sheets of this one. So, in my box, I've got, so it's 30 centimeters by 1.2, but I've got 3 sheets in the different colors. You can see it changing color. So you can see I've kind of got a yellowy color here, and it's changing to gold. I've got a green here that's also changing. I've got this pinky color. As you would expect, this is holographic, this changes color. This is such a fun vinyl to work with. It's called the Horizon Sampler if you want to check it out online to see those colors a little bit more. But look, you can just see the colors changing. It's so beautiful. It's fun. It's fun for like kids projects. So there's a notebook on the front there. That's a perfect use for this. But yeah, think of all those projects in the kids' rooms, whether it's labeling drawers, cupboards. I've labeled all of my son's drawers. But yeah, like the holographic vinyls, just really super fun. And again, those decor items, something which is near light, so that when people walk past it, it's going to change color and they're like, oh, what's that? Really cool. Or decorating your maker or your explore or your craft room. But this is just a really nice fun product, and it kind of always lifts my spirits when I see that and I see it change color, which is really neat. Yay! And we've got some iron-on in here as well. So this is a Sports Flex. So Sports Flex, if you don't know, it's for polyester and nylon fabrics. It's ideal for products that stretch. So this product will stretch with your iron-on project. So think about, your leggings and your sports tops or anything, if you're a busty lass and you need a bit of give across the middle or whatever the case may be, the Sports Flex is wonderful. It's a strong bond iron-on as well, so it's guaranteed to hold on to your product. Hold on to your material. I love this. This is just, yeah, super fun. So again, you know, getting out the running gear. It's starting to get a bit darker now. Everyone's going to be running. You know, as it starts to get a bit lighter, you want to make sure you're getting seen, and you're certainly going to get seen with that beautiful pink, or it's called fuchsia hair color. Really stunning, lovely and bright. So we've got that Sports Fix iron-on. We've got 3 sheets of the gorgeous holographic vinyl. I've got one of the metallic mosaic, which is in the circles, and the rose gold. Super pretty. We've got the removable as well in melon, which is really cute. The glossy, and I've got it in the blue. Again, this is, you will not regret seeing this in using this product, and likewise with the shimmer. I mean, I've never ever heard anyone say they don't like the shimmer. Hands down, one of my absolute favorite vinyls. So there you go. If you've got any questions, you can drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you get one of the mystery boxes, let me know what you get. You can paste it on my Facebook page. All of the links will be in the description below for all of that as well, and of course, you know, sharing Cricut for Australians and all the other groups as well. See you later. Bye. Little guy.